The flashing blue light on your Eero Pro 6 is an important status indicator that tells you exactly your device is doing. Understanding what this light means is crucial for proper setup and troubleshooting. The flashing blue light has several specific meanings. It indicates your Eero is in pairing mode and ready to be added to a network, attempting to establish a connection, or downloading and installing firmware updates. The Eero Pro 6 is a sophisticated tri-band Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. It operates on 3 frequency bands, one 2.4 GHz band and 2 5 GHz bands, delivering speeds up to 1 gigabit per second with coverage of approximately 2,000 square feet per unit. The Eero system uses a hub-and-spoke mesh network model. The gateway node connects directly to your modem and internet service, while additional nodes communicate wirelessly with the gateway to extend coverage throughout your home. The Eero Pro 6 features multiple connection options on its back panel, including gigabit Ethernet ports that can function as either WAN or LAN connections, a USB port for additional functionality, and a reset button for troubleshooting. When your Eero Pro 6 is stuck on a flashing blue light and won't progress to solid white, this indicates a connection problem. The device is unable to successfully complete its setup or establish a stable network connection, which means troubleshooting steps will be needed to resolve the issue. The most effective first step to fix a flashing blue light is power cycling your Eero Pro 6. This simple process resolves most connection issues. During power cycling, you'll see the LED change colors in sequence. If the device gets stuck on flashing blue, proceed to the next troubleshooting method. If power cycling doesn't work, use the Eero mobile app to reset your network. The 2025 version includes AI-assisted troubleshooting to guide you through the process. The app-based reset is convenient and includes helpful guidance. Here's what the reset interface looks like in the Eero app. For persistent issues, perform a hardware reset using the physical reset button on your Eero device. This is the most thorough reset method. The reset button is located on the back of your Eero device. It's a small recessed button that requires a paperclip or similar tool to press. For successful troubleshooting, ensure you meet these important prerequisites before attempting any reset method. Following these troubleshooting methods in order will resolve most flashing blue light issues. Start with power cycling, then try the app reset, and use hardware reset as a last resort.